Hello everybody, this is BrayM here. Today, I have a crate tutorial for you. For those of you who want to add crates to your servers, prison server, PvP server, faction servers, whatever you want. But I have a tutorial for you, and it's pretty cool. It's animated, and it's random. So, yeah, before we get into this video, please go leave a like, and please go hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. But now, let's get right into it. Alright guys, this is how it works. I have a crate key in my inventory. You know what? I'll go in game mode A for you. So it shows you it works, so yeah. But I have crate keys. Right now I'm just gonna do 2, and just get away. So this is how it works. I open the chest and it cycles through a bunch of glass. And I forgot a command block, but I'll show you at the end. But it gives me my stuff at the end, and then it will kick me out whenever everything is empty. And then I can click it again, and it will work. But when it has my stuff, and I leave, and then open it up again, it's in there until somebody takes it. So I take all this, and then it kicks me out. And then when I don't have any keys, because I have no keys in my inventory right now, it doesn't work. It's just there. So, yeah. And this right here just has the extra keys, and you could do this. And it won't reactivate because they're normal chests. So, yeah. And literally the one that was the easiest to pull out didn't even show up. Okay. But anyways, and this just has my keys and stuff in it. But, yeah. So this is the commands for you. It's pretty simple. Basically, all that is repetitive for the animation. You could do more than this. You could do less than this. It really depends on what you really want. But what I'm going to do is destroy this area right here so I can show you the commands. And yeah. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is, just a second, I'm going to pull this command off to the side. But the first thing you're going to want to do is give at s command block. You're going to want to do that so you can get a command block, And in doing that, it just gives you a normal command block which you can use. And yeah, that's how that works. Okay, so the first command you're going to want to do is put a trap chest up here and put that above this one with impulse unconditional needs redstone. And you're going to want to clear the nearest player with the tripwire hook. You can change the data value, like if you spawn in, like give tripwire hook 132, then it has to be 32 if you're going to do different crates or something. But if you guys know how to do that, do that. But if you don't, just stick to the tutorial, I should say. And this, if you do it like this, you can only have one crate key. For that, you can change the crate key too. Like, if you don't know how to change the data value, then you can just use like prismarine shards for the next crate key and don't put that either. But yeah, so that's the first one. The second one, I know people are having troubles with tildes, but you'll learn it, I promise. But the next one, you're going to want to set block, a redstone block in this spot right here. And if you want to use cords, you can. And yeah, and then you're going to want to go to this one with impulse unconditional needs redstone with a delay of 5 ticks. And you're going to want to clear this one with air. So that goes there whenever it spawns, it will clear with air, Okay, and then the next one. The one that comes off the other side. It's going to be impulse unconditional needs redstone, 0 ticks. So it's cloning the block above it, that's what those tildes mean. And then this block is here. Yeah? Where the trap chest was. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to put a normal chest for this one. Just a normal chest, no trap chest, just a normal one, and fill it with this stuff. So that's how that one will work. And then the next one is literally the same thing, but it's chained, so you just clone it and then add a 5 tick delay. And yeah, so just chain unconditional, always active. Always active as well. 5 ticks, and then cloning the block above it, which is a normal chest and a different color if you want to. There. And then you can have as many of these as you want, and it's literally the same thing from here to here. This one. Okay. And then at the end of the command, you're going to want to do this. And you can name whatever armor stand, whatever you want, but it just has to match the armor stand name that's up on the top left. But it's going to be chain unconditional always active at 0 ticks, and it's going to be execute at random, type equals armor stands, name equals crate, or whatever you have, tilde tilde tilde, set block, tilde tilde -2 tilde, redstone block. So that's basically saying it finds this, a random one of these 5, or whatever, however you have, you can put 6 if you want, and then it places a redstone block 2 blocks underneath the armor stand. So yeah, and you just want to do that and make sure it's the same thing as what's in there, like I said. And for this one, you're just going to set block this block with air whenever redstone's there. So it's going to be impulse, unconditional, needs redstone, 5 tick delay. That's just the match everything else, so it's all in the same time as well. And then, yeah, this too. Then you're going to want to clone this block above it. Just like, you're going to use one of those blocks, and you're going to put it here, like one of those command blocks. And you're just going to clone it, just like you're doing the glass, but with this here. But it's chain conditional, always active, 5 tick delay. You're going to change it to conditional though. And it has all your loot, and you could do whatever you need to do. Yeah, you could do whatever loot you want. It really doesn't matter, but yeah. And you can set up as many as you want as well. Alright, we're almost done, guys. But we've got that system, and whenever it's empty, you're going to want to replace it with a trap chest, because all these are chests minus this one, right here, the one that you start with. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, repeating unconditional, always active at 10 ticks, so that way it only does it every 10 ticks, so it doesn't cause so much lag. And then you're going to want to do test for block, tilde, tilde 1, yeah, you know, you can read it, but you're going to want to do that, which, you put a normal chest that's empty on top of it, like this, and it's facing the same direction as well, so it senses whenever you take the loot out of it, then it will put a trap chest there. And, yeah, and it's on 10 ticks because it tests to make sure whenever you take all the glass out, then it won't mess up, I should say. But it tests for 10 ticks and that. And then this one's chain conditional, always active, and it's cloning basically an air block. This is air. There. And then it's going to clone chain conditional, always active at 2 ticks on this one. And it's cloning a normal trap chest that's empty. Right up there. So, yeah. And just to see that it won't break when I clear the glass, see, it's like too fast. You can't do anything with it. So, yeah. And then the last one that I forgot, you're going to want to do over here and do this. And you want to do clear at a stained glass. You're going to want to do that. So whenever I use a crate and I try to grab, oh wait, just a moment. And then whenever I try to grab a glass, it won't work. It will just clear it. That's what that's for. So yeah. And just to see the command one more time, it's repeat unconditional, always active, 0 tick delay, and then clear at a stained glass. That just makes it easier. If you're going to use stained glass, you'd want to specify it, but I mean, like, in a little bit. So, yeah. So, yeah, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you really did, please leave a like. And if you really loved it, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload. And thank you guys for all the support I've been getting lately. It's really appreciated. And yeah, just leave suggestions in the comments below on what tutorials you would like next as well. That would be helpful, I should say. And yeah, it gives me an idea of what people really want. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this has been BrayM, and I'm out.